Do you want to check out the first beta version of iOS 8? Then join me for this next episode of My Apple Podcast. Hey everyone, welcome back to My Apple Podcast. This is Tim Brown. I just downloaded the first beta version of iOS 8, and I thought I would share with you some of the features that I discovered in the first version thus far. Let's go ahead and check out Messages, which was covered during WWDC. Okay, when you open up Messages, you'll see that you have two options now along the bottom. The camera option on the bottom left is there currently, but the function is a little different. I'm going to show you that in a second. And on the right hand side at the bottom is a microphone. In both cases, when you press and hold on them, you'll be prompted to record your voice or add video or photos to your message, and it will send that message off immediately. So you have to know right up front whether you want to send that message or not, because guess what? That message is going off. So let me go ahead and demonstrate on the right hand side. I'm going to press and hold the microphone button. And right now you can see it's recording my voice. When I press upward toward the arrow, that message is sent immediately. That's how fast this thing works. So if you're joking around with someone and you happen to say something that maybe your girlfriend or boyfriend doesn't want to hear, you may not want to hold that button. Okay, let's go to the bottom left. I'm going to press on the camera icon this time. Now if you tap on it, you'll see you get that same option that you currently have. But press and hold. So you see here I can record myself, or I can take a picture of myself instead of writing a message and it'll go off immediately. Or hit the X if you decide not to send it. And that's Messages. Okay, the next feature I want to share with you is Mail. So here I'm about ready to send a new message, and you will notice immediately along the top where the keyboard is that you have three different bars. These bars will generate three different words to match what I may potentially write. So this is called QuickType, and it's predicting what I'm going to write. So let's just say I'm going to write to whom it may concern. So go ahead and type to whom. So let me back up. You see already it has whoever. And now whom is one option. It another option. May already appears. And concern. So you see it's anticipating what you are about to write. Another thing I like about the demonstration at WWDC is this ability to minimize your message. Go to another message, retrieve the content from that message, copy it, and then paste it back into the message that you minimized. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm going to copy a photo from another message and paste it in here. But first, I'm going to minimize this message by dragging it to the bottom of my screen like so. Now I'm going to scroll up and grab an old email with a collage that my wife created with Bizarre. Pretty hot, huh? So I'm going to press and hold. And you see I have some new options here. I have a quick look option, which I'm not going to use at the moment. Instead, I'm going to copy that image. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring up my old message by just tapping on it. And just like you would usually do, just press and hold. Paste that right into the message. And now I'm able to add content from another message right into the message that I minimized. Pretty cool feature. And then very quickly, I just want to show you the new multitasking feature that comes with iOS 8. When you double tap on the home button, you see that you not only have your open windows to look at, but also your recent conversations up above. And once you tap on those, you then have the option to call them, send text messages, video, FaceTime, and so forth. So that's my update for iOS 8 so far. I will be releasing future updates as they come available. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of My Apple Podcast. My name is Tim Brown. Check me out next time.